What's good, Rocket City Classic Cars? Back with another video, working on this Trans Am to get these seats out. As you can see, we already got one seat out. Got to get all this junk off so I can get those back seats out. I'm kind of looking at this radiator. It doesn't look in too bad of a condition. Yep. So I think these seats are gonna clean up really nicely. Check back with me. So I pretty much got everything squared away with the seats. Not too much that's salvageable. But this radiator might come in handy. Seats are coming home with me. Got the seats loaded up. They're in decent condition. Only seeing like maybe one hole in all the seats. I'm gonna clean these up. But yeah, I don't know what else is salvageable on here. I mean, these lights are still in good condition. Maybe I should take those. Yep, let's see. These calipers. Because this car is going to the scrapyard. That's all that's left. Here are the seats. Look okay. Just a quick wash. Nothing too detailed. I got these for $50, y'all. $50. And they are going into the 93 Firebird. there you have it, folks. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and we are out. Yep.